Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for watching this video. Today we have amazing lighting as well as my mic stopped working. That's why I'm holding it in my hands. I'm trying again. So let's cooperate because और कोई ऑप्शन है नहीं मेरे पास. एक और बार शूट कर चुकी हूँ मैं, मुझे दोबारा शूट करना पड़ रहा है बिकॉज मुझे बाद में रियलाइज़ हुआ कि मेरा माइक काम नहीं कर रहा है. You know, life. So the video I'm gonna shoot today is about Instagram stores you can shop from. There are so many people, so many boss ladies who are running their small business, and I feel I need to do my bit here because it's such a you are on your own boss wala feeling is there, and I really support it. So there are so many ladies who are working to run their small business, and I feel that if I'm shopping from them, I need to spread the word, and here on this video we are gonna do this today. So they have not sent me anything. I literally shop from them with my own money, and I will not recommend something which I will not recommend for myself, if that makes sense. So yeah, they have not sent me a PR, they have not sent me anything. I have shopped all these things by my own money. So without further ado, let's quickly jump into my top 10-12 Instagram stores you can definitely shop from. By the way, it's a jewelry category as of now because मैं बहुत ज़्यादा jewelry shop करती हूँ. But if you want to see any thrifts account or anything, please let me know in the comment section. I would be happy to do it. So right now we'll just start with the first bomb store on Instagram. I've written down everything. Let me open my notebook. So the first account is Silver Dust Jewelry. They are amazing, guys. They have really cool collection of authentic Afghan jewelries, beautiful chokers and fire eyes, everything nice. I don't know. So they have really amazing jewelry on their page. They do have a website where you can check the availability of the stock, and I personally have shopped 2-3 times from their website, and I really love the pricing. Like, it's really affordable. I'm not comparing the prices with the street prices, but I'm comparing the prices with the other Instagram store and website options. Like, अगर आप Myntra पे भी जाके you will try to buy something now, you will not get something for 250 or 150, but they are selling things at such price, and कौन ये इतना चला रहा है. Silver Dust Jewelry, I have shopped from them. They have really amazing boho jewelry, silver jewelry. If you want to shop from them, you can definitely go and check out this amazing Instagram store. I'll leave everything in the description box. You can go and check out. The another store which I really absolutely adore is not a small business anymore, but they are really amazing. KK store, which is owned by a girl, and she is really amazing in terms of customer service. She will reply you all the times. You can DM her. Like, her services are really nice, and the way she sends stuff in the packaging with the box, and like, I do have this one box from her, and she sends stuffs in such small boxes with bubble wrap so that things do not get break or anything, and that is really nice, like very thoughtful. And she does have a collection, like really nice collection of Afghan balis and really beautiful chand balis on her page. मतलब like मुझे ऐसा लगता है कि KK store पे इंस्टा ट्रेंडी आइटम्स मिल जाती हैं on a very reasonable price. And वैसे भी it's almost pandemic again, so people are not moving out. So if you want to shop for something, or if you want to shop any boho jewelry, retail therapy, anything, you can definitely check out KK store. They do reply to their customers, and they are always available on their Instagram DMs, which is a really nice thing about them. Another one is again a page which does a lot of collaboration with other influencers, but they have not collaborated with me. So yeah. That one is a Shop Beatnik. It's again a jewelry store, guys. They do have an amazing website where you can go and check their availability of the stock. One thing which I like is their chokers, neck pieces. They are really amazing. See, like lately they have launched their golden jewelry collection as well, which is amazing. Their pricing is a little bit higher. उसका भी reason मैं बता देती हूँ. So शॉप बीटने के प्राइसेस थोड़े से हाई होते हैं बिकॉज दे आर ट्राइंग टू कोलैबोरेट विद women in rural areas and they are providing them employment and they do their bit for the society. So like अगर उनके prices थोड़े से high हैं it is because they are contributing some amount in the development as well. So you can go and check out their history, but their quality, packaging, collection is amazing. You can definitely shop from them. Another one is Retrend Jewelers. Retrend Jewels. Retrend Jewels. मुझे इसके बारे में नहीं पता था. One of my friend Meghna sent me a Rakhi bracelet on Rakhi. Come on, Mamta. So yeah, she sent me this bracelet which was really nice, and then I check out their page which was again very amazing, and I fell in love with their boho earrings, like big hoop, like big boho earrings. I really like big chunky jewelry, and they have a really amazing collection. I have not shopped from them, but I did receive a gift, so I can tell that their quality is amazing, and I'm trying to control my shopping spree here because yeah, it's not good for my pocket. Also, I don't have a space to keep all these earrings, but Retrend Jewelers do have amazing collection, and they have a huge following on Instagram. If you are not aware about them, I'll leave the link in the description box. You can go and check out. They do provide good combos, earrings, chokers, shell earrings, septum rings, everything. Like I really like their Insta feed. They do upload really amazing pictures. All these pages are managed by very short teams, not even teams, like somebody in like women and maybe their family members. They don't have a very huge big team, so if you shop from them, be patient, your parcel will get delivered. But just imagine the packaging, the delivery, everything, stock availability, arrangement, everything needs to be done by this one single person behind the Instagram profile. So be patient with them. They will reply to all your DMs, and I have shopped from them, so मैं तो बोल सकती हूँ कि yeah, they do reply to each and everybody. Moving on to another, my personal favorite store on Instagram is Make Yourself Beautiful. Now this Instagram store is very trendy about their golden jewelry. They have amazing neck pieces, chokers, earrings. Like I have shopped really good pendants and layered necklaces from them. Yeah, and it's amazing, guys. Like I have shopped so much from them, like 2, 3, 4 times I guess, and they have never disappointed me, and the prices they are selling at is amazing. Like I got one layered necklace for rupees 189 or 199, which is very reasonable for somebody who is sending stuff to your home. Like अगर आप बाहर से जाके खरीदोगे तो obviously सस्ता ही मिलेगा because you are going somewhere, but something is coming to your doorstep with such reasonable price is remarkable, and the quality was also nice. Like I don't have any problem with the quality for the amount I'm paying. Another one is the very small Instagram account, but they're selling the most wanted earrings, I feel. So everybody loves Komal Pandey, I feel, and I love her chunky white earrings. She wore them with everything, and I just absolutely love it. But the original store sell it for like really good price, 3,500 or something. So I didn't get the courage to buy it. Yes, I do have my limits. But I found this really cute store, the Adore Hub, which is selling it for rupees 399. Absolutely, मतलब वो first copy types कुछ होगा. But again, it was amazing. Like I really loved the picture, and I told her like रात को 1 बजे I messaged her and she replied. मतलब मुझे ऐसा लगा था कि मैं ही पागल हूँ, but she did also reply, which doesn't mean she's pagal, but she's very customer centric, and she replied, and she took my query, and I placed the order around 1:30 in the night. So think about the hard work these women are putting in their small business. Another one is Cryo by Vedika. Now, cry means not cry. Cryo means ceramic earrings. I have shopped from them recently and they have sent me really cute earring, guys. Like really, really cute earrings. I'll show a close-up look, but look at this. Look at this. How cute they look. I fucking love this account, Instagram store, lady, everyone. So this was really amazing of her, and this all is handmade by her. She took like 4 days or 3 days to make all these, and she placed she shipped the order and everything. You have to pay shipping charges for all these accounts because making alag hai, shipping alag hai. So yeah, they are being very reasonable with the price, but you have to pay the shipping charges. And Cryo by Vedika was really, really sweet to send me a handwritten note. Like मुझे सबसे अच्छी बात जो small businesses की लगती है, they give a really personal touch about sending stuff to the other person. There is a handwritten note, there is a logo of their business, which is another store which I really like is Sugar Plum Co. They also sell cremic earrings, and I shopped these purple ones, but she sent me these red rose earrings, which was cute, like cute. And I love these earrings, but I'm waiting for the right outfit to wear these earrings with, but I really like the quality. And again, she sent a very cute personal note written by her, and the price was really, really reasonable. Generally, when you shop such things from Zara or Forever, they are extremely expensive, like shitty expensive. But when you can get from a small business on a very reasonable price, I would suggest you to go for a small business. Another store is the Jhakas store. She followed me on Instagram, and just that doesn't mean that she sent me free stuff. No, I shopped from her because I saw the collection and I found it so intriguing. Everybody knows that I love French fries, and the earrings was about French fries. I have to buy it. Another one was of donuts. Another one was of Coke. That shows my obsession with food, I guess. But yeah, they do have a really cute miniature earrings, quirky earrings. So I thought, let's give it a try. And the prices were really reasonable, like $169, $179. So I thought, let's just try it. And it was amazing. So the Jhakas store also sells really cute scrunchies and masks. I wanted to order, but then I thought, okay, let's just not get damaged in one go. We'll do one by one. Another store, this is the last store, I swear to God, this is the last store, is the Garima store. She sells really cool stuff made with macrame, and she made it by her, like she made it with her own hands. And she sent me these beautiful earrings, which I don't have it here right now. Kahan rakh diye maine. So she sent me these cute macrame earrings, and oh my God, they have shells at the bottom, and they are my favorite handmade earrings. Like how people are so talented, man. I cannot even draw a single line, and people are making macrame earrings and crayon earrings, and I don't know what. That's why I sometimes feel I also need to have some talent or something. Okay, last. This one is absolutely last, and I will not talk about a single extra Instagram store. A little bit extra.in, and this is owned by a very famous influencer, Diksha. I'll insert her picture. You must have seen her, and she is amazing, guys. She handled this store by her own. For the first time when I was ordering, I just messaged the person that I want to buy this particular earring, and she said, okay, you can pay on Google. And I saw the picture and I was like, oh my God, this person, like, sometimes you don't believe that the very famous influencer is selling the stuff by her own. So this is her little small venture and business, and she sells really amazing earrings, guys. Like this one is particularly from a little bit extra.in, and this is such a beautiful earring. I really love the quality, and I don't mind the price I paid for it. Another one is from their store, which I bought like 2 or 3 months ago, was this one. And this one is, again, like I have something for shells, I feel. Beach Baby. So I really liked their collection. It was amazing. She was really nice to take out her time, talk to me, send me pictures, because I'm never sure about pictures, so I always ask the other person to send me 3, 4, 5 extra pictures. I don't know why I do that. So yeah, that was it for today's video, guys. These were the 10, 12, I don't know how many stores we talked about. These were the store I personally shopped from, and I wanted to give them a shout out because of their amazing service. Yeah, and I'm really sorry that you have to see me in such bad lighting and I have to hold my mic in my hand, but we've been there before, right? You know. If you want to shop from them, go ahead, shop. And they are really amazing ladies who are behind these Instagram stores. Really nice, like really nice. And yeah, stay safe guys. बाहर ज़्यादा मत जाना. मैं भी नहीं जा रही हूँ. अब तो मुझे भी वर्क फ्रॉम होम मिल गया है, तो I would say कि तुम लोग भी बाहर मत जाना. And yeah, that was it for today's video. I hope you enjoyed it. I hope you like it. If you like it, then give it a huge thumbs up, like it, share it, subscribe, do whatever you want to do, baby. And yeah, stay safe. 2 गज दूरी मास्क है ज़रूरी. Bye.